In addition to being a student here at ASU, I'm also a full-time racing driver traveling all around the country. Right after the first day of school, I headed to Wisconsin to Road America for my first time racing in Spec MX-5. And that was quite a dramatic weekend with my wheel hub failing and creating this incredible video. Following that, I then had fall break in California where I spent the time instructing for Porsche Club of America. Then I went back to California soon after for the next round of Spec Miata, where I had this incredible overtake for the win, helping secure my championship. Then, with my friends, filmed my video for the Mazda shootout. A few weeks later, we went to Florida, went to the beach, and then of course did some driving at Homestead-Miami Speedway, where I won the Mazda Spec MX-5 shootout, becoming a factory driver for Mazda. Following that, 2 weeks later, back again in California, this time where I secured the Spec Miata Championship in Southern California. For winter break, went to Indianapolis to PRI to represent Mazda and network with some of the best brands in all of motorsport. Over New Year's Eve, I took a plane to Fort Lauderdale, Florida, for the start of the 2025 season, starting out at Homestead-Miami Speedway. Then I went up to Sebring, Florida, making my debut in the SCCA Super Tour in Spec MX-5. Following that, I came back to Arizona, where then soon after, it was all about preparation for my first race with the Mazda Motorsports Factory team. Flew back to LA for a weekend to do some final preseason prep and the 2025 season photo shoot, and then it was off to Road Atlanta for my debut. From there, I went back to Los Angeles for spring break, once again instructing for Porsche Club of America, spending a lot of time in the simulator and on track. A few weeks later, it was off to Virginia International Raceway to go drive one of America's most challenging circuits. Next weekend after VIR, I went to Long Beach. Although I wasn't driving in this race, it was a pretty amazing experience to be in the pit lane networking and meeting some of the most famous people in all of motorsport. And then the following week, back on the road again, this time to Chicago for more testing in Spec MX-5. And then after Chicago, it was back to Arizona and wrapping up the school year.